What's up, Taurus? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts, guys. We are back at Mukesh Hyundai, and today we have the Hyundai Creta, but a different variant altogether. This is the SX Tech variant, guys. But before you do a deep dive into this particular car, don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you are not yet, and press that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. Our family is almost close to 2,000 subscribers, guys. We are growing as a community, as a family, and of course, we're learning from each other as well. And I thank you so much for your support. Let's keep growing. Do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my uploads, guys. And if you have any suggestions, of course, you're always welcome to share them in the comments below. Let's get started, guys, and not waste any more time. So we have covered a lot of variants of this particular vehicle. You can go and check them out over here, and check those videos out. If you want to check those out first, you can definitely check them out and then come back to this video and understand what we have in this particular variant. So this is the diesel manual, guys, the 1.5 CRDI engine, 16 valves, and churns 115 horsepower, 250 newton meters of torque. Trusted, reliable. It comes in the Kia Seltos as well, and of course it churns great amount of miles also. So it's a very refined and reliable diesel engine, and you still get insulation underneath the hood with the stand, of course. No hydraulic struts. This is the story of the engine layout, guys. Do let me know your thoughts. Let's close the bonnet and explore the rest of the car, guys. Let's get started from the front fascia. You do get the DRLs, the standard signature Hyundai almost connecting front DRLs. This is for your indicator function. This is for your low beam and high beam, and these are your air curtains, of course, which are functional. Skid plate is finished in silver. You get this dark chrome, chunky dark chrome element on the grille. Hyundai logo is finished in silver with some dark chrome element surrounding it, and you get level 2 ADAS in this, but it doesn't come with adaptive cruise control because it's a manual. You don't get 360-degree camera with this either. In terms of wiper, you get regular wipers. No aero twin wipers are present. You can see the camera for the radar on the windscreen as well. Coming to the side profile, you get 17-inch alloys, 215/60 R17, nice dual tone alloys, nice disc brakes in the front, of course, and it doesn't come with front parking camera, nor does it come with front parking sensors, nor does it come with a 360-degree parking camera. ORVMs are finished in body color with your turn indicator element, and door handles are finished in chrome. Request sensor for the driver. Roof rails are, of course, not functional. Side skirt treatment is pretty basic. You do get body cladding going from the front to the rear. In terms of sunroof, you get a panoramic sunroof with shark fin antenna finished in black, guys. This particular area that you're seeing is finished in silver. There is no dual tone treatment. This is the only thing that is finished in silver, and this portion at the rear is finished in glossy black, guys. This is how the side profile of the car is. So let me know your thoughts. I'm sorry if that pillar is blocking the view, but it's the best I can do, guys. So disc brakes for the rear wheel as well, and no request sensor for the rear door. Coming to the rear, you do get that connected tail light treatment, and the Hyundai logo is finished inside the glass. Creta badging finished in silver, SX badging finished in silver, rear wiper, rear defogger, high mounted stop lamp, and parking sensors की बात करें तो you get one and two parking sensors only with the rear parking camera, guys. That's it. That's the only parking camera you get in this variant. Let's open the boot and explore what do we have there, if we can. I think the battery down guys, but the battery is down. And anyway, boot space is 433 liters with 60/40 split, and a parcel tray is also present, which is detachable, guys. That's the story of the boot. Reflectors are, of course, given at the rear as well, both sides. Your rear bumper is finished in silver, and your spare wheel treatment is, of course, underneath, and it's a smaller spare wheel, of course, the steel rim. And that's about it, guys. From the rear, fuel lid is on the left side. Again, no request sensor, and no request sensor on the co-driver's side either. This is what it is from the exterior, guys. This is the same car, of course, just another variant that I'm bringing to you so that you get certain idea when you come to the showroom, when you are planning on purchasing the Hyundai Creta, guys. So do let me know your thoughts of the exterior finish of this particular car. Let's get inside and see what do we have on offer in the SX Tech variant. So we will open the car. I believe I have shown you the key. Just let me show it to you all again. So what do we get? So in terms of driver functions, what do we get? We get, of course, 4 auto windows, one touch up and down only for the driver, and you get your window locking and unlocking button, door unlocking and unlocking button, and your ORVM functions are present as well. Door handle storage is given. You don't get soft touch. It's all hard plastic, hard plastic. Door storage seems decent. You get Bose speakers for this, which is pretty great. You're getting Bose speakers in this variant as well, so that's neat. In terms of functions, here we get traction control, headlight adjuster, auto start stop, and engine start stop function. You can see this copper border surround on the engine start stop function. Nice attention to detail. AC vent is finished like this. This is your magnet. You get manually adjustable seats, not electronically adjustable, of course. Getting inside, closing the door. Steering wheel setup is pretty similar. Flat bottom and glossy black elements are given. White stitching is also given. In terms of instrument cluster, it is different from the top model. It's not the same as what you get in the top model. It's almost the same as what you get in the extra, guys. You know, that's the digital cluster. Same digital cluster we get in terms of layout. Okay, so it's not what you get in the top variants of the Creta, and but it is a connected screen, guys, which is neat. So but you're getting, see, in this variant you're getting almost all the features of the top variant, which I feel this is a value for money variant in my opinion, because you know, you will not see much of a difference from the inside. You're getting ADAS, you're getting 6 airbags, you're getting nice connected screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you're getting a wireless charging pad as well. So I mean, in terms of features, it's pretty rich. 4 disc brakes, nice alloy wheels, you're getting, of course. So it's a pretty sorted variant, guys. There's nothing you're missing out on, to be very honest. So now let's explore what do we have. You get this button layout on the center, where you know you can switch between your tracks. You get your hazard light treatment, you get your AC buttons. This is a dual zone climate control system has been given for the co-driver and the driver, which is neat. See, that's also what you're getting extra in this particular variant. And of course your ORVMs are manually adjustable, as well as breakdown and blueing function is there. So it has connected tech, sunglass holder with a massive panoramic sunroof, ticket holder, vanity mirror for the co-driver, 2 cup holders. This is your handbrake setup. This is your gear knob, gear lever setup, which is very nice, leather finish. You get your parking camera for the rear button present on the center console. USB-C, USB-A, and 12-watt charging socket is also given. In terms of your function on the steering, you get a voice command, track change, volume and star button, calling button on the left, cruise control and ADAS, and MID on the right side, guys. And in terms of steering wheel, it is only for height, not for reach. That's what it is. You get your armrest storage is pretty nice, but it's not adjustable, guys. Glove box is cooled, which is decent. Some storage is given on this particular area on the dash, and the seats are leather cum fabric, guys, I think. Yeah, they're leather cum fabric seats, guys. So we have seen Hyundai offer these kind of seats in a lot of their cars, so you know, you get best of both worlds basically. But anyway, you tell me, you want either leather or either fabric seats? You let me know your thoughts in the comments. Or this particular gimmick of leather cum fabric doesn't really go well with me. You let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you guys think of this setup? But anyway, I think in terms of features that this car is loaded with, I mean, it's complete value for money. Isme agar compromise hai also, so you don't have to worry about. I don't think this should be a deal breaker for you, because seats, of course, Hyundai makes very comfortable seats, guys. That is I mean, just a fact. Okay, seats are actually very comfortable, nothing to complain whatsoever, guys. But anyway, this is what it is from the front, guys. Let's go to the second row, see what do we have present there. Entering the second row, guys, we'll have to be a little bit careful because the space come hai yahan pe. And yeah, that's what it is, guys. Yeah, now we are inside. All right, so in terms of practicality, you do get seat pockets for the driver and the co-driver. You get armrest with 2 cup holders, fabric finish. This is, you get isofix points, 3-point seat belt, 2 adjustable headrests. There is no headrest for the middle passenger. Sunshades, of course, you can see on that side as well. You get light, I believe, which are LEDs, and retractable grab handles without any hooks on either side. And you get AC vents, For the rear, USB-C charging sockets, two USB-C charging sockets, and you get some storage as well, guys. So yeah, slip of tongue ho gaya tha beech mein. But yeah, in terms of spacing, you get a nice amount of knee room. Foot room is really good. I can extend it like almost maximum, like driver tak ja raha hai, par utna extend mat karna. And you get your under thigh support, which is decent enough in my opinion. Of course, you do get that panoramic setup of the sunroof. This is how the dash looks pretty premium, guys. This variant is also loaded with plenty of tech, which will do enough for you, I believe. I mean, more than enough features are given in this variant as well, which completely feels value for money. You don't get air purifier in this like you used to get, you know, on the Alcazar also. So no air purifier, but yeah, apart from that, everything is pretty much similar only. We have explored a lot of Cretas. There's no update as of such, but this is the SX Tech variant, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts for this particular variant. Let's get outside and give our closing thoughts for this car, guys. And that concludes our in-depth walk around of the Hyundai Creta SX Tech variant. It's clear that Hyundai has packed this variant with just the right mix of advanced features and comforts to appeal to tech-savvy buyers while still maintaining its signature Creta design and practicality. So let me know what do you guys think of this variant in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more detailed walkarounds and car updates, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe, top drivers. Bye-bye.